Hi there, you're in the lab with your mate JJ. Today is mail call, just a quick mail call today. Of course, in the mail call, we just look at what's arrived in the mail. My silly job title for today is Energy Maestro. Today I am the Energy Maestro. And we've just got a couple of small parcels here. I'm not even sure what's in there. There's going to be other mail calls coming up. We've got a whole heap of stuff that's arrived, but I won't try to avoid doing two mail calls back to back. So I'm going to be working on some other projects. We've got the 30-in-1 over there, which we've been threatening to start for a while now. I'm ready to do that. I needed to get familiar with KiCad so that we could design the circuits in the circuit emulator, and I've got some experience with that now, so I should be able to get on with the 30-in-1 soon. But today is not 30-in-1, today is just mail calls, so we're going to pop over to the bench and see what's arrived in the mail. Hi there. So I accidentally opened this earlier. It's electronics part 1 from the quick study cheat sheet people. So this is to go with my other ones. I'm collecting all the ones related to mathematics and science and electronics and such. So this will join my collection that arrived today. The other thing that arrived today was this. I I got some Lego, so I can play Lego with the little people in my life. But that's what this is here today, just some Lego going in the Lego box. I'll put that away. Actually, it's dinner time. I'll put that away, have dinner, and I'll be back soon. All right, I'm back. I've had my dinner. It was pizza around here for dinner tonight. We had the Four Seasons, which is it's a pizza. It's got prawns on it, which is its thing. You got American friends called prawn shrimp, don't they? Not really sure. Anyway, it was pretty good pizza. I had 2 pieces. So, what have we got in here? It's the old AliExpress bag within that. So, let's have a look. You know, I might get myself my scissors for this job. Not sure what we're dealing with yet. What have we got? Yes. Okay. So it's jumper to DuPont female. So there's just some jumpers. We got these for wiring up our learning the art of electronics videos. Now we're gonna see what this says. Doesn't say anything interesting. Yeah, we're not gonna scrapbook these labels because they're not interesting. They don't say anything about the product. And these are to DuPont male. So these are female, these are male. But I do think I got more of them. I don't know if they'll be arriving today or not, though. I do have all sorts of stuff arriving lately. But this is probably more of the same, actually. What do we got? Yeah. And this one is more of the same, female, DuPont female. And these are DuPont male. Now, I have to say, I'm least likely to need the DuPont males, although they are good for breadboards, aren't they? They go in the breadboard hole nice and properly. I'll tell you what, let's time lapse this pack up thing. I'll be back in a sec. All right, so that's done. This is the banana female box, and this is the banana male box. So I've got a lot of the male ones and just a handful of the female ones. So I might get some more female ones at some point. But at the moment, I'm sure we've got plenty enough to do any experiments that we want to be doing. So put those away. All right, so those jumpers have been put away, and we've got two more packages to go. So let's see what this one is. It's all taped up, very taped up. Yeah. What have we got? Ah, yes. Okay, great. These are uh, banana. Banana plug board things. So it looks like we've got 5 colors. Very good. We're probably going to have the same in the other container. I'm not sure really. Let's put this out and just see what we're dealing with. Oh, I see. Of course. Um, I should not have done this. This was a bad buy. I was thinking when I was doing my learning the art of electronics projects that what I'd do is I'd set them up with a whole lot of these cheapo multimeters pointing at the different parts. But then I found in practice that I only needed one multimeter and I could just plug it onto the part of interest. So I didn't have to take all 8 readings in one go. I could just take 8 different readings using the one thing and make my notes. But I bought these because I thought I wanted to be doing all of the readings concurrently. So that explains that. I've got a bunch of them as well. So this is just more of the same. So yeah, that wasn't particularly savvy spending, I have to say. Anyway, let me put this away and then we'll wrap up. All right, so that's one each of the mixed colors, and then 2 each of the red and black. Red and black are the ones I tend to use the most, of course. We've got our cheapo probes for our cheapo meters, so those will be being stashed presently. So that concludes the unboxing and the mail call. So I'll throw the farewell cam and we'll wrap up. And that's a wrap. So yeah, just a quick mail call for you here today. Traditionally, I tell you what my most favorite and my least favorite things were from the day's haul. I think the thing I'm happiest to have today is these banana cables. They're good. Also, the banana jumpers, they're also good. These are my least favorite thing today, these multimeters. They weren't a good idea, but I've made bigger mistakes in life, so no big deal. Is there anything more to say? I don't think so. So that concludes the video. I'm trying not to do Malcore videos back to back, so I'm going to try and get on, I think, actually with the electronics, the Maxitronics 30-in-1. That's my plan, and I've got to get got to try and get ready for Tuesday for the next Learning the Art of Electronics video. So we'll see how we go with that. And yeah, that's everything. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks very much for watching, and please remember to hit like and subscribe.